Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a screenshot of your national ID card from the mobile application. Just go to Play Store, download the application. As you can see, I've already downloaded mine. I will open it. It will show me this interface. Make sure you skip all those steps, but I've done that already. So as you can see, this is mine. If I click on this, it will show me the back side of my NI card. So I'll come back. If you want to make a screenshot, you hold the if you're on Android users, you hold the volume down with the power button at the same time, or use any third-party application for screenshot. So I'm going to make screenshots. You can see this is my own screenshot. Let me strip this so I can screenshot better. I'll make a screenshot, and I'll go click on the back. I'll make the screenshot of the back. So I will locate this particular screenshot on my gallery. As you can see, I'll go to my gallery, open the gallery application. I will swipe. As you can see, these are my screenshot. So I'll click on any of them. I'll click on my edit application. I will look for where I can see this screenshot. So I will make sure I resize it to the particular shape of the ID card the way I want it. So as you can see, I'll click on, as you can see, it's okay for me. I'll press save. I'll look for the other one. I'll click on edit. I'll go to cropping tool, look for the cropping tool. I'll scroll down to the particular shape of where I want it to crop. So I'll click on crop. As you can see, save. As you can see, now I have the exact shape. I will delete all these ones. I'll delete this too, delete this. So as you can see, I have the particular shape. So that's all. And mind you, the idea behind this application here is that they want you should be holding it inside a mobile app, so that you can make you can be using it to make your online transaction or any transaction that you want to make using that they requested for this national identity card. So I think that was all.